Let me ask you a simple question. When was the last time you said I love you to yourself? We say it to others so easily, but to ourselves, not so much. In this video, I'm going to take you deep into the art of self-love, what it really means, why it is not selfish, how to practice it starting today, and the actual life-changing benefits it brings to our life. So whether you are feeling lost, burnt out, or just not enough, this might be the one video that shifts everything for you. And hey, if you are ready to start your journey right now, do this. Go to comment section and type I love and accept myself the way I am. You would be surprised how powerful it is to speak it loud even digitally. So let's begin with why self-love is not being selfish. Most of us grow up thinking self-love is narcissist, like it is a vain to put ourselves first. But here is the truth. You cannot pour from an empty cup. When you don't love yourself, you accept less than you deserve. You chase validation constantly. You settle in the relationships, jobs, and life. But when you do love yourself, boundaries become easier. Confidence feels natural. And the most important thing is you stop begging for love and start attracting it. Loving yourself doesn't mean that you think you are better than everyone else. It just means you don't compare yourself at all. Remember that it's a peace, not ego. Now, the second point is how to start loving yourself from today. Let's make this practical. Here are three simple ways you can start practicing self love today. First is speak kindly to yourself. Remember that your inner voice is always listening to you. Catch yourself when you are being harsh and shift it. Instead of I suck at it, say I'm learning and I will get better at it. Your brain believes what you repeat, so be careful what you repeat. Now, if you are ready to start it, pause the video right now, go to comment section and write something kind about yourself. It can be even a one word, but go ahead and write and then come back. Now the second step is to set boundaries without guilt. Saying no is a complete sentence. You don't owe explanation for protecting your peace. So remember it and practice it. Third step is do something just for you. It can be a walk, maybe a solo coffee date, maybe a movie date. No productivity attached. Remember, self love is giving yourself what you often give to others. Now, let's talk about benefits of self love. You might be wondering, okay, but what really changes if I love myself more? Let me tell you. Better relationships. You stop tolerating what doesn't serve you. You will get mental clarity, less anxiety, and less self doubt. You will get self motivation, not from the shame, but from the care. You will slowly develop healthier habits because you want to feel good, not punish yourself. Self love is not just a bubble bath and positive affirmations, though those help too, but it is about honoring your needs, showing up for yourself when no one else does, and rewriting the story you tell yourself. Now, the most important part is the self love trap to avoid. Quick warning though, there is a trap people fall into trying to love a perfect version of themselves. You don't need to fix yourself to be worthy of love. You don't need to earn it. You love yourself as you are, not just when you hit the goal of desired body weight or get some dream job or maybe find the perfect partner. That is the real self love. It is unconditional and it is without any expectation, and that is the real self-love. Now here is the interesting part, uplifting and call to action. So let's wrap this up. Self-love is not a destination. It's a practice, a daily choice. Some days are easier, some days are messy. That is completely all right. But no matter what, you keep showing up. And if you have made it this far, I want to leave you with this affirmation: I am enough, I am worthy, I love myself the way I am. Say it loud, whisper it, write it, but own it. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with someone who needs this today. And remember, go to the comment section and write, I love and accept myself the way I am. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.